Welcome back, everyone. Today we're just going to do a quick oil reset on a 23 Volkswagen Tiguan, and I'll just show you guys what to do to reset the oil maintenance light. So this reset will work with your controls if you have this type of controls for your vehicle, right? And then the first thing you need to do is using this menu screen, get to the odometer or the trip reading, right? So you have to just scroll through your menus, and then this one will be under driving data, right? Up at the top you see all these little different features. Just get to the gas mileage data to it, and then you press and hold the OK button for a few seconds, and then you let it go, and then you should have this screen come up. So this service, I just did the reset. This one, the inspection is due in 730 days, and then the oil change in 365 days. But to reset the oil, you just go to the reset oil change service, you hit OK, it's going to ask you to confirm, and you do it one more time, and then you reset it. And that's how you do your inspection as well. But I hope this video helps you. As always, thanks again. Till next time.